Venkatesh is here with more on the RBI policy. Latha, how did you read the policy and the statements from the governor?
Well, the market actually went into the policy fearing that there might be, or hoping there might be, a bit of dovishness because of the backdrop. You know, in the last 1 week, the Fed, which was expected to do 1 cut in September for 2024, is now expected to do 5 cuts in 2024. So there was an expectation or maybe a hope that perhaps the Reserve Bank would say something slightly dovish, but there was none of it. On the contrary, let me give you evidence why I think that you can call it hawkish. First, the inflation forecast for July-September, the current quarter, which is underway, was originally 3.8. That has been raised to 4.4. Even though, of course, the overall average has been kept at 4.5. Now, inflation for the first quarter of next year, that is April, May, June of 2025, or what you call FY26, that has been forecast at 4.4. Now, that's important because the previous quarter, that is Jan, Feb, March, the forecast is 4.3. This is 4.4. So the argument that inflation is even trending downward consistently cannot be made. The Reserve Bank likes to have these kinds of elbow room in case it doesn't want to cut rates. Also, this 4.4 is higher than the 4% forecast for the same quarter, which came in the previous MPR, that is the Monetary Policy Report, which the Reserve Bank puts out in April. So clearly, this looks like a little higher than expected. And finally, even the governor's explanation to my question on would you fear a global slowdown was that the US data still doesn't indicate conclusively that there is even a slowdown, forget recession. He pointed out, of course, that Q2 GDP in the US was 2.8%, hardly slow, and the unemployment number is riddled with some one-offs. And that's why I would think that, you know, the Reserve Bank chose to be a bit hawkish. My sense is they were also defending the rupee. The rupee is at all-time lows. It's a very gradual and, a shallow fall. But it is for the record all-time low. And maybe the Reserve Bank is just defending the currency from unwarranted short-selling attacks.
Right. Thank you, Latha, for that update. Meanwhile, there is